Welcome back to the show. Well, our next guest is here to tell us about an alternative to traditional liposuction. It's a new treatment that promises immediate results and no pain.
Yeah, Dr. Rita Sabetti is with Forever Young Anti-Aging and Weight Loss Center, and Victoria Italiano is one of the center's patients, and she's here to tell us about her results with the Vaser Shape treatment. Welcome, ladies.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Nice to have
Thanks
you.
for being here. Let's talk about Vaser Shape. For people who haven't heard of it before, what exactly is this treatment?
So Vaser Shape is the newest technology out right now for non-invasive body contouring. It uses ultrasound. It's an ultrasound device that uses heat to help shrink fat cells. So we target a specific area, heat up the tissue. By heating up the tissue, we're shrinking the fat cells with the waste products being excreted through the lymphatic system.
What areas of the body can you use this on?
The abdomen, thighs, glove handles, arms.
So this is really all on the surface as we're seeing in this video. It's non-invasive, as you mentioned. How long does the treatment take to see results?
Anywhere from 1 hour to 2 hours. So depending on the area that you're doing.
Okay. And is there downtime?
There's absolutely no downtime. People get a 1 hour treatment done during the lunchtime.
And it's FDA approved, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, for this particular purpose. And when you talk about the elimination, the fat cell, where does the body contouring component of it come in?
Well, by targeting a certain area, we're causing those fat cells to shrink, which helps contour the area.
That's great. So when we talk about someone like Victoria, who was a great candidate for you, who is a typical candidate?
Anyone that follows a healthy lifestyle, exercises 3 to 4 times a week, and just cannot get rid of certain problem areas.
So somebody who's already kind of done a lot of the work, but they're not seeing the exact results
They just
that
cannot target a certain area, and they have a little pouch that they want to get rid of. Anyone that has about 4 inches of fat and less is really a great candidate.
How many treatments did you have, Victoria?
I had a total of 3.
You had 3 treatments. And was each one about an hour or so?
Correct.
Okay, were you happy with your results?
Oh, yeah, very, very happy.
What did you notice about the outcome of it?
Well, your clothes fit a lot better. You just, like I especially had it in my stomach area, and you just don't have that rollover anymore.
That's
It's always
great.
a little irritating.
I know you've agreed to do a before and after because we took a before picture of you here in our studio to show the results of those 3 treatments. So I think we're going to have you stand and kind of face out so we can see the shot, the before shot, and then we're going to do an after, and she's going to turn, I think, her right shoulder. Perfect. Okay. Yep. Okay, turn a little bit more to the outside, to your right. There we go. Does that look right, guys? Okay, Katie said that's perfect. You're standing in the right spot. Okay, there we go. And look at that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see real contouring there.
That's a total difference.
How many inches? Do you know how many you lost, Victoria?
I think about 2.
2 inches. Wow, right around that one area in just 3 treatments. Are those results typical, doctor?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, you can start to see some of those lines that weren't quite there before, in the abdomen area. Is this something that you'll continue to do, Victoria? I mean,
I think so. I think I'll do a few more to get, the result that I'm really looking for.
Yeah, I think that's fantastic.
Does it hurt?
Oh, not at all. It's like a hot stone massage. It's very relaxing, actually.
Can you do more than one area at a time? So, for example, if you do your midsection, can you also do your arms?
We can. We generally just limit it to 1 area per session.
Okay, so if you're doing the thighs, you kind of do that area, and then maybe later you take a break, and then you can do the midsection area and the love handles or something like that. Okay. And what's the best way for someone to go about getting a consultation?
Well, they can call our office. We can schedule a complimentary consultation. Let them know what they can expect from the treatment.
And how long will it take to see the results?
You can actually see it immediately.
That's great, because I remember, Victoria, when you were here one time and did a session on the show, and we saw it immediately after. You did it for 1 hour. You started before the show started, and at the end of the show, we showed your results, and there was an inch or 2 then. I mean, that's great.
So the amount that she's actually lost is from the center. She's lost 2 inches, but overall, she's lost approximately maybe 3.5 inches, just from
great.
the higher and lower aspects also.
And that's the place we all want to lose it. For sure. Sticking to those New Year's resolutions.
That's right. So here's the information for Forever Young Anti-Aging and Weight Loss Center. They're located on West Blue Mound Road in Wauwatosa. The phone number to call for more information is on your screen, 414-616-3935. And if you visit foreveryoungwisconsin.com, you can find out more on their website. Nice to have both of you here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for sharing your results, too. We appreciate it, Victoria.
Exactly. Thank you.